Hello friends, myself Dr. Sachin Sarode. I welcome all of you. In this video, we will learn definition of binary operation and example of binary operation. Firstly, we will learn definition of Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product, let A and B be two non-empty sets, then Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B, and A cross B is a set of all order tuples A comma B such that small a is in capital A and small b is in capital B. If we have two sets A and B, then the Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B and is the set of all order tuples A comma B such that small a is in capital A and small b is in capital B. We will see example. Consider A equal to C D and B is a set which consists 1, 2 and 3. Then Cartesian product of A and B is a set. Firstly, we will take the element of capital A, that is C, first element of capital B, that is 1. We will continue with C, second element of B, that is 2, then C and third element of B, it is 3. We finish each element of B with C, then we continue second element of A, that is D comma first element of B, that is 1, D comma 2 and D comma 3. So here we have capital A is a set which consists of C and D, and capital B is a set which consists of 1, 2, 3. Then the Cartesian product of A and B is a set. You can see C comma 1, C is from A, 1 is from B. We will continue with C, second element of B is 2, C comma third element of 3. Here we have taken each element of B with C. Then we go for second element of A, that is D with first element of B 1, D with second element of B, that is 2, D with third element of B, that is 3. We have considered all order tuples from A and B. Now we will learn definition of binary function. Binary function or binary operation. Definition: a binary operation star on a set on a non-empty set S is a function from S cross S, that is Cartesian product of S with itself, into S, an element star of AB is denoted by A star B. A star B is an element of S. Star is a function from S cross S to S, and star of A comma B goes to A star B. See here, just we have learned the definition of Cartesian product. Now we will learn the definition of binary operation. A binary operation star on a non-empty set S is a function from S cross S to S. A comma B is in S cross S. Under star it goes to the A star B. We will see the example of binary operation. Consider Z, set of all integers 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Now we know addition. We can do addition of two integers. So consider addition on Z. We will show here addition is a binary operation on Z. We know under addition 2 comma 3 goes to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. See here 2 comma 3 is in Cartesian product of Z with Z. Under addition 2 comma 3 goes to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 is again in Z. So addition is a binary operation. Similarly, we can see multiplication is also a binary operation on Z. We can multiply any two numbers and we get again a integer Z cross Z to Z. Multiplication of minus 3 and 2 goes to minus 6. See here, minus 3 comma 2 is in Cartesian product of z. Under multiplication, minus 3 comma 2 goes to minus 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6, and minus 6 is again in z. We know we can multiply any two integers and again we got the integer. Therefore, multiplication is also a binary operation on z. Therefore, addition and multiplication are binary operation on z. Now we will learn example of operation which is not a binary operation. Consider z minus set of all negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, and multiplication operation on z minus. Under multiplication, minus 2 comma minus 3 goes to minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. Minus 2 comma minus 3 is in z minus cross z minus, but 6 is not in z minus. Therefore, multiplication is not a function from z minus cross z minus to z minus. So, multiplication is not a binary operation. Operation on z minus. See here, consider z minus set of all negative integers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, and consider the multiplication operation on z minus. Then under multiplication, minus 2 minus 3 goes to 6. Minus 2 comma minus 3 is in Cartesian product of z minus with itself, but 6 is not in z minus. Therefore, multiplication is not a function from z minus cross z minus into z minus. It is not a function, therefore it is not a binary operation. Thank you.